What if I told you that the most unreliable car brand in America is also hiding some of the longest-lasting engines ever put into a production vehicle? We're talking 400, even 500,000 miles on original blocks. No rebuilds, just oil changes and tires. Stick around, because here at the Motor Era, we're cutting through the noise and revealing the 10 BMWs that actually never break down. Let's get into it. Number 10. The BMW E36 3 Series, 1992 to 1999. The E36 works because of simplicity. No twin turbos, no complex injection, no transmission trying to outsmart itself. Just a naturally aspirated inline 6 in a chassis BMW spent years refining. Hot Cars named it the most reliable BMW ever produced. Owners report 150 to 200,000 miles with minimal issues. Number 9. The BMW E46 3 Series, 1999 to 2006. Kelley Blue Book gives it a 4.7 out of 5 for reliability. The M54 Inline 6 is the heart of this car, and one owner documented over 550,000 miles on the original block. Naturally aspirated, timing chain driven, no turbo failures. Stay on top of the well-documented weak points, and this engine outlives almost everything on the road. Number 8. The BMW Z4, 2003 to 2008. The first-generation Z4 ran the same M54 inline 6 as the E46, and J.D. Power gave it a reliability score of 86 out of 100. Most were babied by careful owners with far less daily abuse. Proven reliability in a softer-lived package makes the early Z4 one of the best value-used BMWs available today. Number 7. BMW E39 5 Series, 1997 to 2003. If the E46 is beloved, the E39 is mythological, and at the Motor Era we do not use that word lightly. The highest mileage example ever reported rolled past 584,000 miles. The 530i with the M54 B30 is the engine you want. Refresh the cooling system around 80,000 miles, and this becomes one of the longest-lived engines BMW ever produced. Number 6. The BMW 128i, 2008 to 2013. This is exactly the underrated story the Motor Era exists to tell. This compact coupe ran the N52 inline 6 and earned a J.D. Power score of 89 out of 100, one of the highest any BMW has ever received. Port injection means no carbon buildup on the intake valves. Most N52 engines reach 180 to 220,000 miles. The N52 was the last naturally aspirated BMW straight 6, ending a lineage back to 1968. Number 5. The BMW E93 28i, 2007 to 2012. The E93 gets a bad reputation because the turbocharged 335i had real problems. But the 28i is a completely different story. Same N52 inline 6, no turbo, no direct injection, no timing chain failures. Maintenance is predictable and affordable. A rear-wheel drive sports sedan you can maintain without a specialist. Number 4. The BMW X5 xDrive 35i, F15 generation. The F15 X5 with the N55 inline 6 is a genuine step forward for modern BMW reliability. J.D. Power gave it an 84 out of 100, and Repair Pal puts annual maintenance at $879. Owners regularly see 150 to 200,000 miles without drama. At 100,000 miles, this X5 is just asking for tires and fluids. Number 3. The BMW 340i F30, 2016 to 2018. The B58 engine has earned a reputation the community has not given a turbocharged BMW in decades. Closed deck block, forged crankshaft, completely redesigned timing chain. Earlier F30s had timing chain failures, but BMW fixed that and introduced the B58 at exactly the right moment. Owners regularly reach 150 to 200,000 miles. Number 2. The BMW E39 M5, 1999 to 2003. People assume complex, expensive, and fragile. The real story is different. The S62 V8 was hand-built. Every single one. Specialists say it is capable of 300,000 miles on original components. What kills these engines is neglect, not design. Change the oil every 5,000 miles, address the rod bearings and timing chain guides, and you have a hand-built V8 that outlasts most modern performance cars. And at number 1, the BMW E46 M3, 2001 to 2006. Here at the motor era, number 1 has to be earned, and this car earned it. The S54, a naturally aspirated 3.2-liter inline-6 producing 333 horsepower, is the absolute peak of BMW's inline-6 lineage. No turbos, no direct injection, an 8,000 RPM redline built by the M division. Many have crossed 150 to 200,000 miles without major failures. The E46 M3 is the last naturally aspirated BMW M car ever made. The S54 closes a lineage that started in 1968, 36 years of refinement, ending at its absolute highest expression. Buy one that has been cared for, and you will be driving it long after every turbocharged car around you has seen its second engine. That is the motor era countdown of the 10 BMWs that actually never break down. Buy the right generation, pick the right engine, stay on top of your maintenance, and these cars will run for decades. Hit that like button, subscribe to the Motor Era, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Drop your highest mileage BMW in the comments right now.